Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So before we start today's video, I'd like you guys to please spare a minute and sign the petition that I have mentioned in the description box below. This petition is being hosted by change.org for the 8-year-old Kashmiri girl that recently got gang raped. I'm sure you guys know about it. And if you don't, please read about it, learn about it and try to educate yourselves as much as possible. I know this is not a big step and I don't know if this will help or not, but this is the only way I know in which we can be at least a little helpful. I have been subscribed with change.org for a really long time now and some of their petitions have been successful, and unfortunately this is the most we can do right now. If any of you guys know of any other website or anything else that we can do individually or as a community, please write it in the comments down below so we all can act on it. This will only take a minute of your time. The video can wait. You can watch it later. It's okay. First go and sign the petition.
Oh my god, this cake looks so yummy, yaar. No. I cannot eat it. Why did I decide to eat healthy? एक बाइट खा लोगी तो क्या हो जाएगा? God, this is so distracting. Why do I love cakes so much? Can I make one? To make this healthy wheat moist cake, you will need half cup wheat flour, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, 2 tablespoons sugar or sweetener. I am using stevia, dark chocolate, half cup milk, 1 tablespoon ghee or melted butter, 2 tablespoon cocoa powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking powder. My struggle here clearly shows how bad I am at pouring things. Thankfully, nothing spilled. Basically, put all the dry ingredients, that is wheat flour, cocoa powder, baking soda, stevia and baking powder in the mug. Now mix the ingredients very well. Make sure you make a proper even mixture. Now add the ghee and milk. Thank God I didn't spill it. And mix it well again. Microwave it for 3 minutes on normal settings and your cake will look like this. Now for the syrup, take some dark chocolate. Actually, take a lot of dark chocolate. 2 tablespoon cocoa powder, 2 tablespoon milk, and if you're bad at pouring like me, ask someone else. After microwaving it for 1 minute. Now dig a hole in the mug cake and start pouring your chocolate syrup. Unfortunately for me, this video has a lot of pouring. So now I'm smartly using a spoon. Finally, here is our healthy, yummy, chocolatey and soft mug cake.
That was it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. The whole recipe of the cake will be in the description box below. And I hope you have already signed the petition I mentioned before. If not, please do it right now. If you like this video, please give it a big fat thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.
इशिता, ऐसा एकदम यम्मी फेस बनाना केक पे। खाने में फीलिंग नहीं गॉड से देखो इस इंसान को। अभी मैं छोटे से मुँह से खाऊंगा। इशिता bought us छोले and samosa while I was reading. I'm becoming a back for it. पता है तुम क्या बहुत टेस्टी है।